Would you like to learn how to make some delicious pesto butter salmon just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that you'll need, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Let's chop up one shallot nice and quick like this. You can also use an onion instead of a shallot, or you can use some fresh garlic. Now we're going to flavor up the pesto sauce a little bit. I got this pesto sauce from Stop and Shop. I happened to be at my aunt's house again when I was making this video. Now I'm going to add a little bit of Old Bay to the pesto sauce, as well as the shallots and some room temperature butter. Now I'm going to get everything all nice and mixed up and make a nice flavorful paste for the salmon. But first I'm going to squeeze a little fresh lemon all over the salmon. And then I'm going to season the salmon fillet with a little bit of complete seasoning. And now I'm going to spread that delicious pesto sauce all over the salmon, just like so. If you have a wire rack, it's good to cook the salmon on it because it helps the salmon to cook more evenly and allows for better airflow, which will result to crispier skin and tender, moist salmon. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And once done, it can look something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. This pesto butter salmon really came out so super yummy. It was a big hit with the fam, which always makes me really happy. It was so flavorful and cooked to perfection. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
You got recipes, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.